Hello guys, I'm going to do a quick depth test. Don't know if you can see that. It's about 9 inches down there. What I'm going to be testing out is a Georgius the third. I think it's either a halfpenny or a farthing, I'm not quite sure. 1775. Chuck it down, test the hole first. See, there's nothing down there. What we're going to be using is a Nail Tornado 12 by 13 inch coil and a Garrett Ace 150 set at sensitivity 3 on jewelry mode. Alright, I'm going to chuck the coin down the hole and fill it up. I hope I'll get this coin back. Right, plug's filled. Let's test it out. Picking it up. Try on full sensitivity. No problem. That's a Garrett Ace 150. It's a basic machine. Alright, cheers for watching. See you on the next dig.